Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to start making money online. In this video, we'll cover the basics of how you can make money on the internet with just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or start a new career, this video is for you. The first step in making money online is identifying your skills and deciding what type of work you want to pursue. Do you have a talent for writing, graphic design, or programming, for example? Once you know what your skills are, you can start looking for opportunities that match them. Finding opportunities to make money online can involve searching job boards, freelance marketplaces, or even networking with potential clients. You can also look for ways to monetize your own content or expertise, such as creating a blog or offering online courses. Once you've identified your skills and found opportunities, it's important to build your brand. This means creating a professional online presence through social media, a website, and business cards. Having a strong brand can help you stand out from competitors and give potential clients confidence in your abilities. Networking and building relationships with clients and other professionals in your industry is key to growing your online business. Attend events, conferences, and meetups to meet new people and expand your network. Building relationships with clients can also lead to repeat business and referrals. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools to start making money online. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort, but with determination and persistence, you can achieve your goals.